Hello everybody. If you want to get ISO certification for your company, we are the largest ISO certification consulting company, Sterling International Consulting. You can visit our website www.uaeiso.com and you will get complete information about how your company can implement the international standard requirements. Now typically if an organization wants to get this international standard, be it for quality, environment, health safety, information security, food safety, or any other standardization, we are the largest consulting company in UAE and Middle East. We have worked with more than 4,000 organizations across the world to help them effectively implement and achieve this certification. What is the process? What our company needs to do? The first and foremost thing is you should create awareness in the organization, because without awareness, people will not be motivated, they won't be on the same platform, and the implementation may not be successful. So start with awareness training. After you complete awareness training, make sure that you conduct a very thorough gap analysis. What is gap analysis? Gap analysis is basically what you are doing, how you are doing, and currently to what extent you are meeting the requirements of ISO standard. So for example, if you are doing quality management system, have a checklist with you, identify all of the compliance requirements specific to your kind of business, and see where do you stand, what you have and what you don't have, and what is the gap. So once you identify the gap, then start with your risk assessment or process identification and process documentation activity. So here you will be drafting your procedures, SOPs, manuals, flowcharts, work instructions, making templates and forms for compliance documentation. Review this documentation, finalize that, distribute that. That means your system goes live. Make sure everybody is given sufficient training so that they can understand the essence behind a particular document. After the documentation starts, verify its effectiveness, schedule an internal audit. So for doing an internal audit, you will be required to train certain people, train them, provide them hand-holding for executing them, enable do fast internal audit. After this is done, have an expert doing your pre-assessment audit to make sure that your system has been effectively implemented, and if there are any opportunities for improvement, you can help them verify, rectify. After you are satisfied with your pre-assessment audit finding, you can contact a certification body. If you need our assistance, we as an organization, we can assist to select the most optimum certification body. Contact the certification body, they will do their assessment, and after assessment they will recommend you for certification. We as an organization, Sterling International Consulting, we have worked with the best of the companies in Middle East like Etihad Rail, Ministry of Finance, Army, Iraq Gas, Abu Dhabi Port, Hunting, one of the largest energy management company in oil and gas sector, Capital Oil, and so on and so forth. Contact us at info@uaeiso.com. We can schedule a meeting. We will be glad to provide our assistance and our expertise in this field, and let's partner your ISO certification process. Thank you very much.